A changing global economy, international health crisis, and rising cost of living. It's never been more important to understand how decisions are made, how they impact us and our society. Our future depends on it. That's why we have created the Bachelor of Business, Economics, Finance, and Trade to help you understand the factors that drive global economies and financial markets, and also how they affect business decisions and investment. You will learn about economic theory, statistics, and business intelligence, and explore complex economic and financial environments. Plus, a virtual internship will give you the opportunity to focus your new skills on a real-world problem. Our academic team are globally recognized economic, finance, and trade experts, and we integrate our world-class research and industry experience into our teaching. It's what will help you thrive in any workplace. With a business degree majoring in economics, finance, and trade, your skills will be in demand in almost any industry, so you can build your career in any direction. What are you waiting for? Come, launch your career in business with us at UniSA Online today.